Welcome to our spiritual education channel. In this video, we're going to explore the basics of meditation. Meditation is a powerful practice that can help us become more present, reduce stress, and cultivate inner peace. But what exactly is meditation, and how do we get started? At its core, meditation is simply the practice of focusing our attention. It's about training our minds to be more aware and present in the moment, rather than getting caught up in thoughts and distractions. One of the most common forms of meditation is mindfulness meditation. In mindfulness meditation, we simply focus our attention on our breath, noticing the sensation of the breath as it enters and leaves our body. To get started with mindfulness meditation, find a quiet and comfortable place to sit. Set a timer for a few minutes, and then simply focus your attention on your breath. Notice the sensation of the breath as it enters and leaves your body, and if your mind starts to wander, gently bring your attention back to your breath. Don't worry if your mind wanders a lot at first. Meditation is a practice, and it takes time and patience to develop. Over time, you'll start to notice that you're able to focus your attention for longer periods of time, and you may start to experience a sense of calm and inner peace. In addition to mindfulness meditation, there are many other forms of meditation, such as mantra meditation, visualization meditation, and loving-kindness meditation. You can explore these different forms of meditation to find what works best for you. In summary, meditation is a powerful practice that can help us cultivate inner peace and reduce stress. To get started, simply find a quiet and comfortable place to sit, focus your attention on your breath, and be patient with yourself as you develop your practice. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos on spiritual education.